guys, we're here in Charlotte, so I'm just getting off the exit, and I figured I'd do another, well, Bruton Smith Boulevard. I figured I'd do another video of me pulling into the track. So, yeah. It's Wednesday, so I'm here a little early, but just got back from Maple Grove, and going to show you what the track looks like on the way in. Bruton Smith Boulevard. We're only about, I don't know, 2 miles. I'm going to go in the front entrance of the track because I want to dump my RV, and then we'll go in the back way and just kind of set up in the stacking area as we sit on top of I-85. Should be open. Front entrance here. This is where a lot of guys will get here early and they'll just park their RVs. You just can, you know, obviously see it's an RV park there. See, hopefully the dump won't be crowded. It usually it's not. But this is the main entrance to the track. Now they have us in the back, but this is the main entrance anyway. There, so I won't be able to dump. If not, then I just go back and do it later. I don't know what side they're going to have us parking on. Always confusing because there's 2 entrances and then it's just the whole thing's just real confusing. But all right, we're at the dump and I'll be back. All right, guys, we're finished at the dump. I thought the big rigs would block me in, but they didn't, which is cool. And now we're going through. Well, Camping World is right at this track. I don't know if you guys, the guys that haven't come to Charlotte. So if you got a motorhome and you need parts or service, they're right here. I've always heard mixed reviews about service, but at least you can buy parts here. They got a good parts department, and if you can't get something, they can order for you. I remember ordering something from them, and they got it here pretty quick while I was racing. So at least there's an RV center near here, you know, which 80% of us have RVs. So I'm going to make a left out of here, and we're going to go to the stacking area. How you doing? I can fit behind him? Yeah. Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That guy is always here. He's such a gentleman. He's just a gentleman. He's just a really sweetheart. So, yeah, there's room back there. And, like Top Sportsman. What? So this is pretty much it. You know, I mean, I know it's nothing exciting, guys. Let's see. We got a number 62. So we're going to just show you. Can you read that? Number 62. So we're number 62. Oh, should be driving a little slower because I am making absolutely a dusty cloud. My bad. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Really not worried about the rig. I clean my rig, I don't know, twice a year, whether it needs it or not. Don't go nuts. The inside is much more important than the outside. A little bit level behind him. Yeah, looks okay. Alright, we're number 62 in line. Not that it's a big deal. We'll start it up again. I'll put this all in one video and I'll show you how we park, how we're parked inside. Since there's not a lot of cars here, it'll pretty much go pretty smooth. Today is just stacking day. Tomorrow they'll be parking us. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we'll be back with the second part of this video.